In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot AI to run your online business. If you're managing an online business, you already know how quickly daily tasks can pile up. Between operations, marketing, customer communication, and data analysis, it's easy to spend more time managing work than growing the business. That's where Microsoft Copilot can help. Used well, it can become a practical assistant that saves time, improves consistency, and helps you make better decisions. Let's start with daily operations. Copilot can help you organize tasks, schedules, and workflows so your day feels more structured and less overwhelming. You can use it to create checklists, map out recurring responsibilities, and automate routine administrative work. It's also useful for summarizing meetings, emails, and documents, which means you spend less time reviewing information and more time acting on it. A simple prompt like "Create a daily operations checklist for an online store owner" can give you a strong starting point. From there, you can adjust the output to match your business and team. Copilot is also a powerful tool for creating marketing content. Instead of starting from a blank page every time, you can ask it to generate social media captions, blog post ideas, email campaigns, product descriptions, and promotional copy. This helps speed up content creation while keeping your messaging clear and consistent. It can also help you plan ahead by building content calendars and suggesting broader marketing strategies. For example, you might prompt it with "Create a 30-day social media content calendar for an e-commerce business." That gives you a full month of ideas you can refine and schedule. Another valuable use is analyzing business data. Copilot can review sales reports and customer information, then summarize what matters most. It can help identify trends, spot opportunities, and highlight performance issues that may need attention. This is especially useful if you want faster insight without manually sorting through every detail. You can ask something like, "Analyze these monthly sales figures and suggest ways to increase revenue." The goal here is not to replace your judgment, but to give you clearer, faster insight to support smarter decisions. Finally, Copilot can help improve customer service. It can draft professional replies, build FAQ content, and create templates for common questions so your communication stays efficient and polished. This is especially helpful for topics like shipping, returns, and order updates, where customers expect clear and timely responses. A prompt such as "Write professional responses for common customer questions about shipping and refunds" can help you create reusable support content quickly. When you use Copilot across these areas, you reduce repetitive work and create more space to focus on growth. Start with simple prompts, refine the results, and make Copilot part of your everyday business workflow.